Sensory gyms have a ton of great benefits, so I'm going to show you some of the skills that can be worked on with different equipment. Target vestibular and proprioceptive input using a slide and ladder. The slide and ladder is a great way to target fine motor and gross motor skills. Make the activity a little bit harder by trying to walk up the slide instead of the ladder. Crash pads are great to increase proprioceptive input. It also challenges core strength and balance. Rock climbing is a very tactile activity that's great to target strength, motor planning, coordination, and problem solving. Use the monkey bars to target the large and small muscles, including motor coordination and hand-eye coordination. Overall, all the equipment helps boost confidence in our students. Keep coming back to Therapy Talk by Fun Factory Sensory Gym for more ideas.